The Women in Construction project at the UNSW School of Built Environment aims to attract, retain and empower women in construction. The project is funded by the Australian Government's Department of the Prime Minister and Cabinet's Office for Women. As part of this project, and in collaboration with the Australian Institute of Building and TAFE New South Wales, 20 high school girls participated in a 5-day program to build a shed at UNSW's Kensington campus. The completed construction was then donated to the Metropolitan Local Aboriginal Land Council. The students learnt different processes, including design, procurement, people management, work health and safety, and construction. We hope the participants will feel empowered to take up careers in the traditionally male-dominated construction industry. From engineer to project manager to estimator to roles considering sustainability or work health and safety, there are many ways women can build successful careers in construction.